Hey guys, it's time for another Advent unboxing. This is the after calendar. So these are the ones you're supposed to open after Christmas. So it's smaller than the typical Advent calendar. If you wanted to see the Sephora before Christmas Advent calendar, check out that video. I'll link it up here. It's already on my channel, so head on over and check it out. But if you'd like to see what's in the after Christmas Advent, then just keep watching. So it's called the Moving Lights After Calendar, and the top flap folds down, and instead of having 1 through 24, you have 26 through 31. So after Christmas, all the way through New Year's. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the day after Christmas, which is this guy down here, and all of the pieces are gonna come tumbling down. Looks like this. And this is a cucumber hand mask. These usually go on sale like 30% off, so you can get it for like a couple dollars. All right, next we have 27, and as you can see, all the pieces are already shifting. My cat is crying in the background for attention. Meow. Day 27 is baby blue nail polish. So it's nice if you bought the before Christmas Advent, they gave you a red, a white, and a clear. So a non-Christmassy color for the winter, which is nice. My senior cat is spoiled. He only wants to drink water from the sink. Next up, we have day 28. We have a caffeine eye mask. These are nice. I forgot the 25th. This actually starts on the 25th. My apologies. 25th through the 31st. So it starts on Christmas. Got some makeup. I was waiting for some makeup in the before Christmas Advent, and there were none of these little compacts with highlighters, blushes, contour. And this one is a matte blush in shade 6, which is Flirt It Up. I love these little blushes. They're very good. So I'm already more excited about this one than I am about the pre-Christmas Advent. All right, so we had 28, so we have 29. I'm guessing a liner of some sort. No. The lip sleeping mask, I just bought this recently. It's quite good, but it does go bad quickly. So if you do buy one of the sleep masks from Sephora, I would say use it within about 6 months. 30. I also just bought one of these. Interesting. This is the Sheer Shine Brilliance Lipstick in Rose Refraction. Now, I bought 2 of these during the Sephora sale, and these are so highly fragranced, I'm not able to wear them. They're a very floral, perfumey fragrance, similar to the L'Oreal lipsticks. So I will definitely save this one for a friend, but I'm already excited that I got a lip mask and 2 makeup products out of the 6 days. Already, it's a win for me. And finally, we have the 31st. Whoa, 2 things. I was not expecting that. There were 2 things in this box. We have a full-size mascara, which we didn't get in the before Christmas Advent, and a waterproof eyeliner. Already, this little after Christmas Advent impresses me more than the before Christmas Advent. So if you were going to buy one of them, I suggest this one. If you like makeup, if you're into the masks and like hair products and nail products, try the before Christmas Advent. If you're into the makeup, this one's where it's at. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this after Christmas Advent unboxing from Sephora. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.